How to change Gmail ID or Google account name. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Manage your Google account. As you do that, it will take us to a new page. So here, if you want to change your Google account name, simply tap on the personal info option over here. So tap on personal info and here you can see the name. So just tap on the name option. As you tap on name, it will take us to a new page where you'll need to verify yourself. So after verifying, here you can see the name. So you can just tap on the name, and as you do that, you can now change your name. I'm gonna change the surname over here and then tap on the arrow mark and then tap on save. As you tap on save, now you can just go back and let's refresh the page, and there you go, you have changed your Google account name. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.